Hello techies, this is lab 14.4.7 and we're going to enforce password settings. The first thing we want to do is to go into local and we're going to open this and we'll go to let's say our tags here. We're going to password policy and we're going to change this. This is going to be 4. We'll go ahead and apply and click OK. And the next thing we want to do is to change password age. This will now be 30 instead of 42. We'll go ahead and apply and click OK. The next thing is to the minimum password age is going to be 2. Apply, we click OK. And minimum password length for this is going to be 10. We apply and click OK. And the next thing is complexities. We're going to enable these, and this password must meet certain complexities like cap lock, none of better characters and the rest. So go ahead and apply and we'll click OK. So the next thing we want to look at is the account lockout policy, and the lockout duration from henceforth will now be 60 minutes. So apply. So we have 60 minutes here, just to be sure we're doing the right thing. So this is going to be 60 minutes, and this is because the security settings determines the number of minutes a locked out account remains locked out before automatically becoming unlocked. All right, so go ahead and cancel this, and let's go into the account threshold. So this will be 4. We'll go ahead and apply. We click OK, and this is going to pop up 30 minutes, reset 30 minutes, lockout duration 30 minutes, suggestion. Okay, because there is now 4 invalid lockout attempts, so lockout the settings for the following items will be changed to the suggested value. Okay, we'll click OK. Go ahead and click OK. So we go over to the duration right now, and we are going to make this 60. We apply and click OK, and we go to the reset account counter, and this is going to be 40. We apply and we click OK. Let's call lab and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in case you're having challenges with any of your tech courses, either due to work, you've been busy with work, or family issues, health issues, you can reach me through WhatsApp and I will ensure you come out with an A at the end of the term. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.